Tulip. Tulips are one of the most popular beautiful flower in the world. Tulips are part of the lily family. The scientific name of the tulip flower is tulipa. Tulip flower occur in almost every color: white, yellow, pink, red, orange, purple, and even brown and black. Tulips were first cultivated by Turk of the Ottoman Empire. Tulips do not have a long lifespan. They usually live from 3 to 7 days. The tulip flower are consists 3 petals and 3 spells. Tulips is brightly colored flower shaped like a cup. Tulips are said to signal of arrival of spring. There are over 150 species of tulip with over 3,000 different varieties. Like and subscribe.